Hi guys, this is Monica from Travelinaday. Today we're gonna be unboxing the new iPhone 11. It finally arrived from UPS. So let's see what Apple brings in store this time. Very secure package. It came in literally the same day they promised, not a minute later. Very secure, something to hold on. Very Apple-like. And we have here the iPhone 11 Pro Silver in 64 gigabytes. Very iPhone. Here you have the two colors. And here we have the little tab to open the phone. We're gonna unbox it. Very cute and shiny. And here we go. Here we have the iPhone 11 Pro 64 gigabytes in silver. Very cute color, very matte on the side, matte coloring. It has the stainless steel as it was told. Very heavy, seems very sturdy. And here are the three cameras. They're very light. It has little bumps. And seems like it's good. So now let's hear the sound. And here we have the iPhone 11 Pro. Here is the same lightning cable. Here we have what they bring in the box. Signed by Apple. Comes with a cute little stickers. Yay for stickers. Everybody likes those. Here are just the instructions. How to turn your phone, how to turn it off, how to change your SIM card. Here we have the lightning charger. Watt USB-C to lightning, and we have the same headphones with a little cord, and here is the cable that comes with the lightning to USB-C. And here we have the iPhone 11 Pro in silver. Very cute. And it seems very sturdy.